This video elaborates on each tip, providing step-by-step instructions to help users navigate and utilize these features effectively on Facebook. 1. Activating followers on mobile Facebook. Ever wondered how to enable the followers option on Facebook? By adjusting your privacy settings, you can activate the follow feature, allowing others to follow your updates without being friends. Open the Facebook app and tap on the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings. Adjust your privacy settings. Set who can send you friend requests to Friends of Friends. Ensure who can see your friends list is set to Friends. Set your public post settings to allow everyone to view them. Refresh your Facebook profile to see the followers option enabled. 2. Checking liked photos. Curious to see which photos you've liked on Facebook over the years? Learn how to easily access a list of photos you've interacted with. Open the Facebook app, tap on the search bar and enter photos liked by your name. This will display a list of photos you have liked on Facebook. 3. Creating your avatar. Did you know you can personalize your own avatar on Facebook? Explore how to create a unique avatar that represents you in chats and comments. Open the Facebook app and tap on the menu icon. Scroll down and select See More. Tap on Avatars to create your personalized avatar. Follow the on-screen instructions to customize your avatar. 4. Enhancing privacy. Take control of your privacy settings on Facebook. Explore how to limit data tracking by disabling off-Facebook activity for a more private experience. Go to Settings, Privacy Settings on Facebook. Navigate to your Facebook information and disable off-Facebook activity to enhance privacy and limit data tracking. 5. Customizing post visibility. Want to control who sees your Facebook posts? Explore how to customize post visibility for specific friends or exclude certain individuals from viewing your updates. Visit a friend's profile whose post you want to control visibility for. Click on Friends under their cover photo. Select Edit Friend List and exclude specific friends from seeing your posts. I hope you find these detailed tips and tricks helpful for enhancing your Facebook experience. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe for more useful content. Thanks for watching. Bye.